everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning all the things that I have been avoiding. So if you're like me, you've got so many tasks that you've been avoiding, today's video we're going to be tackling them, so you can join me and clean along with me. So I have waited the longest to get this mat cleaned. So today I'm gonna, first of all, my kid's gone to bed, so this is gonna be easier for me to tackle this. I'm gonna take away all the toys, and I'm gonna use this sanitizer to just spray all over his play mat. He's just, I can't even remember the last time I cleaned this, but I noticed that he was sneezing quite a lot on it, and that just told me this mat needs a clean. So I'm just sanitizing it and just removing any buildup that could be potentially on there. There's a bit of dust on it, and God knows what else is on there, but I know for a fact there's going to be some germs on it, so I just need to sanitize it and just ensure that everything is clean. So this is me flipping the mat over, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, and then it's focused on the corners, especially or these ones. As you can, I'm not sure if you can actually see, but there's actually a bit of buildup and a bit of dust on there, so I just made sure that, you know, everything comes out, especially on the corners. So yeah, this mat has been on my to-do list for such a long time, and I finally tackled it today. And this is me just sweeping up all the dust and dirt that's just fallen off from the mat. So you can tackle one thing today, that's amazing. One task at a time, one task per day if you can, or if you can do more, do more. So this is the second day, and this is behind the TV. I have noticed that there's lots of dust building up over there, and I'm just gonna basically tackle that. I think, like, because it's just behind a window, and when we've had the windows open, that's when dust builds up. So yeah, just get your favorite cleaning product and just use a microfiber cloth to collect the dust. Spray onto the microfiber cloth if you're going to be using, you know, like for example here, this is like the internet box. So I just sprayed either onto the cloth itself or around the surface, and then you wipe. Do not spray directly for obvious reasons. And yeah, so I have been meaning to do this for the longest time, but I've just not been either bothered, or I just don't have enough time. But today was the day, and look at that shine. And the TV has probably got a lot of dust that was building up, especially at the back there. But look at the shine on that, so I'm quite pleased with that. I'm very happy. Like I said, one task whenever you can. So this is also the Xbox. I managed to have a little bit of extra time, and I tackled that as well. When was the last time you cleaned the Xbox? Especially these little crevices over here, they've got a lot of dust collecting. So I've just done this. I think I'll probably do another video which is more in depth, but this is what I can do for today, the back of the TV. Now let's move the sofa. Can't remember the last time I moved the sofa. Today's the day. I've basically decided, let's get it done. So this is a different day, like I keep saying. If you can't do everything in one day, because sometimes you get burnt out or there's just too many things happening, just do whenever you can. So I got my husband to move the sofa, and this is all the stuff at the back. I'm just going to sweep it up and just basically just remove, it's a bit of dust actually, and a few things behind there, so it's not a lot of work. But the skirting boards were quite dirty, so I'm just wiping those with my favorite cleaning product and a microfiber cloth. So yeah, if you need help, don't be afraid to ask for help. And this is now a different part. This is the window behind the sofa, so this also needed to be cleaned. I just noticed that it had a bit of build-up there, and it's kind of like mold season soon, so I just prefer to prevent it and just spray and clean. And yeah, this is me sweeping it up and just making sure that, you know, everything is clean before we put everything back. So like I mentioned, different day, different tasks, or if you can do it all in one day, fantastic. Now onto the kitchen, the washing machine, the drawer, specifically the drawer. So my sister came over, and she's at uni, and she wanted to do some laundry, which is fine, but then she uses powder washing powder. I now use liquid. So yeah, that's another conversation for another day, but this had some build up on it. So I'm just going to use washing up liquid, fairy washing up liquid, to clean the drawer for the washing machine. So if you're not new to the channel, you know how often you should, clean these, and I'm just going to tackle that right now. And yeah, I'm using my favorite cleaning brush ever, which is the Pink Stuff Sonic brush. It's amazing. It does all the hard work, so I really don't have to. It scrubs really well, and it gets into all those little crevices and corners and everywhere else that normally I would struggle to get into. Or you could actually just use like a cleaning toothbrush, but this is my favorite brush ever. So we are getting to the month of December. So the first week of December, I'm going to officially begin the week by week cleaning routine, just to get us ready for Christmas Day. So if you are excited and if you are looking for some cleaning content to get you motivated to clean up just before the Christmas period, then please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Look forward to some cleaning content. I will stick to my uploading schedule, which is every Tuesday and Friday. There will be content, but this time it's all going to be Christmas Day, Christmas related. And if you are looking for some cleaning motivation or just a guide to help you make sure that your home is ready for hosting, if you are hosting Christmas this year, or whatever cleaning motivation you're looking for, then this channel is going to be the place for you to be. So like I mentioned, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what kind of content you guys will be wanting. So yeah, look forward to that. And that's it for me today. I will see you on the first week of December, December the 1st. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.